So yeah, this is me, I guess. I talk sometimes in game chat, so if you recognize my voice, that's why. School has started up again, so I'm not on as much as I was in the summer, but I still am trying to get these clips in, and hopefully I can get an Elgato soon to get better clips. And hope you enjoyed that. I didn't know you could do that with Doomfist, but I've I knew you could cancel other people's ultimates with Rocket Punch. I've done it to Roadhogs before, but I didn't know you could prevent Blizzard like that, I guess. And yeah, I guess if you like those clips, then subscribe for more when I can get them out. And